What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know about y'all, but my favorite part about going out to eat is the bread that they bring out before the meal. So today we are making dairy-free Cheddar Bay biscuits just like the ones they make at Red Lobster. First up, we're going to need to make buttermilk. For this, you will need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of soy milk. Stir it all up and let it sit for about 5 minutes. It will start to curdle and look like this, and there you go, buttermilk. Let's get our dry ingredients ready. You will need 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix this all up. In a separate bowl, you will add your buttermilk, 1/2 cup of melted vegan butter, and stir this together. You will begin to slowly add in your dry ingredients to your wet bowl and mix continuously. Next, we are adding 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. I'm using the vegan Go Veggie cheddar shreds. Mix this all together until your dough looks like this. Using a 1/4 cup, scoop out your dough and drop them into a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Place these in the oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes. While these bake, melt some butter and add in some chopped parsley, garlic powder, and mix it together. When your biscuits are done baking, using a brush, top your biscuits with the butter and you're done. These are amazing, y'all. They are packed with flavor and you will think that you're at Red Lobster. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week.